Welcome. If you want to organize a group video chat on Telegram and make sure everyone joins at the right time, scheduling it is the way to go. In this updated guide, I'll walk you through each step to easily schedule a video chat in your Telegram group, so your meetings, hangouts, or study sessions run smoothly. First, make sure your Telegram app is up to date. The scheduling feature works best with the latest version, and you'll need to be an admin of the group to set up a scheduled video chat. Let's get started. Open the Telegram app on your device. Once you're in, head over to the group you want to schedule the video chat for. Tap on the group's name at the top of the screen. This will open the group's profile and settings. Next, look for the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on them to open a menu with more options. From this menu, select Schedule Video Chat. Telegram will prompt you to choose a date and time for your video chat. Pick the time that works best for your group, then confirm your selection. After you confirm, Telegram will notify group members about the scheduled video chat. A countdown timer will appear at the top of the group chat, so everyone knows exactly when the call will start. This helps your group prepare and ensures no one misses out. When the scheduled time arrives, you and your group members can join the video chat directly from the group. If you need to make changes or cancel the event, you can do so from the same menu where you scheduled it. And that's it. Scheduling a video chat on Telegram is quick, easy, and helps everyone stay organized. Give it a try for your next group meeting or catch-up session, and enjoy seamless communication with your friends, family, or colleagues.